I'm Akila and this is
Aya.
Welcome to Tagalog for Kids. And today we're gonna learn the Tagalog version of Happy Birthday. The Tagalog for happy is maligaya. Maligaya.
Maligaya.
And birthday is kaarawan. 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 And if it were Aya's birthday, I would say maligayang kaarawan, Aya.
Maligaya, Aya.
But if we sing the happy birthday song in Tagalog, we say maligayang bati. Bati is greetings in Tagalog. So let's sing happy birthday in Tagalog. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang, maligaya. Maligayang bati. Alright, that's all for today. See you in our next
Video.
Don't forget to
Like this.